Go.
My name is Jessica Brown. This is Speech Communication, Introductory Speech.
And this is the audience of 8 people.
Hello.
Go.
Passion. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position. Arch your feet. Point your toes. Squat. Straighten your back. Over and over and over again, my dentist would yell, do this, do that, do this, do that. The rules and regulations of being a ballerina. Hello, I am Jessica Brown, and I have been doing ballet since I was 5 years old. When I was 5 years old, I dreamed of being a prima ballerina. I danced for the Miami Heat Junior Dancers, Dance Addiction, sponsored by Tracy Young, also the Miami Heat director. I also danced for Edward Holland and Jill Mallory Dance Studio. When I was younger, I eat, sleep, and breathe dance. It's all I did. At school, 3 days a week, Saturdays, and everything.